subscribers, for those from Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, I'm really happy because you're wishing me a happy birthday. This is really have been a really beautiful day for me and for my people in my community. This is my community, this is my radio, this is Uganda, and this is Sarah Tourist Gang or team. Thank you so much for supporting, for loving me, and right now we are going to cut our cake. I can't wait. I just want to taste the Sarah Tourist happy birthday cake, which looks so beautiful, and yeah, we have been waiting for this since morning. So let us do that. Yeah.
Yes. Happy birthday, Sarah.
Thank you.
Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel at Sarah Tourist. I'm very excited to be here with you today, and guys, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you are my beautiful returning subscriber, Allah, thank you so much for coming back. And guys, today I'm at home and I'm here with my daughter Chloe. Come say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, subscribers.
Say hi.
Say hi, subscribers. Just the subscribers. Come. Say hi.
Hi.
Subscribers.
Subscribers.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
No, I'm just saying, so tell them thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much
For watching us.
for watching us.
Look in the camera. So guys, I just want to teach my daughter how to be vlogging. I want her to be with me. I want her to experience this, because I have seen that when I'm giving out or when I'm helping, it will be really good when she's there with me, when she's helping too, because she will learn how to give and share. Because I have seen apparently she's alone, but giving is a problem to her, which really not good. So I'm just trying my best to teach her. Say hi.
Hi.
Subscribers.
Subscribers.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
We love you.
We love you.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
So Chloe, some people gave me these gifts. Did you bought for me a gift?
Yes.
Which gift?
Sweet.
Ah, you bought for me sweets. So guys, today I'm just showing you the gifts that people gave to me. There are so many gifts that I ate. So probably if I have those clips when they are giving the gifts, I will link them down up somewhere. If I don't have, sorry, but yeah, they give me so many gifts, and some gifts are coming, you know. Yeah, but I just want Chloe to go and do something. Chloe, what have you been doing?
Drinking chai.
Drinking, taking tea.
Taking tea.
They said taking tea.
Yes.
Then taking tea. What outside? Why have you dressed this jacket?
It's raining.
It's raining.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So then go finish your tea. I'll call you.
Yes.
So guys, I just want to teach her how to be confident, how to talk, and even to learn English. We have been watching videos when the kids are in the videos, and she was like, Mom, I also want to start, but I want also to be like that kid. And I'm like, yeah, one day. And yeah, finally, as I'm home, I'm just seated. I just wanted her to come in and say hi to you. I hope you have enjoyed. And so many people have been asking me about my daughter. She's my beautiful girl. I love her so much, and I know you're going to love her because she's just amazing. But anyways, today's topic is, I just want to tell you the gifts that people gave me. They were just amazing. I loved them all. And yeah, that is it. So guys, I put them, I have finished to open them. They are all here. Yeah, so first have to be fast. So guys, like earlier before, people were coming early in the morning. People were coming in with food. Someone came with cassava, came with a bunch of matoke. Someone brought maize, and yeah, so mangoes, sweet bananas. I think you remember those sweet bananas we had in the basket. It was my birthday gift. That juice which was on the table, it was my birthday gift. And then the mangoes were still in that basket. They were my birthday gifts. So people, my friends here in the village, they said, Sarah, we don't have money to go out and buy maybe some plates, cups, shoes like that, but we would just give you this. And I was super happy because these are the craziest, funniest and beautiful present that I have ever received, and it was fun that my people were just supportive. They just wanted to show that. I don't think I'll have those clips here, but if it happens, they are inside my phone. I'll paste them there. You see how cassava looked, how the bunch of matoke looked, and for the and mangoes and what. But anyways, that is it. I was super happy, and yeah, I hoped that there was no corner. Some more gifts would have been coming, and guys, there are so many gifts that are coming through emails, through the p.o. boxes, and guys, there are so many interesting videos. So many people sang for me happy birthday song.
So much, Lana, for supporting, for contributing, for like giving me everything. Thank you, sister. Yeah, this is the messages from my beautiful subscribers, my friends, my moms, and my brothers out there. Yeah.
Thanks.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sarah. Happy birthday to you. We love you, Sarah. Enjoy your day. See you later on live. Bye-bye. From my family to your family and to you. Enjoy your day.
Well, I have just saw a notification that today is your happy birthday on Facebook. Okay, so happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you. Well, Sarah, I wish you a prosperous years. I wish you to live until the age where you'll get tired and you say, it is high time to die. I wish you all the best. Stay well. Happy birthday.
And wrote for me sweet messages on Instagram, on WhatsApp, and on Facebook. Thank you so much. I received a lot of gifts that I never even expected. But apart from that, the things that physically I have right now, they're here. And guys, someone bought for me a plate. Yes, bought for me a plate. Yeah, I like this. Is so beautiful. I'm going to adore this plate. It's black and white. It looks so beautiful. I was just amazed. Someone bring for me a plate. Thank you so much. Who brought for me this plate? Thank you so much, sweetheart. Yeah, right now I'm going to look in. Have so many boxes here for things. Yeah, these are with the wrapping papers, you know. And then they bought for me in this box. Yeah, they wrapped it in this box. And yeah, still have something here. And then the sweets. So guys, my daughter bought for me this sweet. I don't think you can see it. Yeah, Allah. It says, I love you, mom. Yeah, she bought for me this one. And then some kids bought for me this sweet. Yes, I love sweets when I'm in bed. So yeah, these are all mine, you know. So yeah, these are the gifts they gave me. Sweets. Yeah, but this one was very it's very special. Very special from my daughter, this one. And yeah, some bought for me this cup. Yeah, this plastic cup. It's really big. It's good for the juice, you know. And yeah, they gave me money, you know. Those who had not had time to go and buy the gifts, they gave me money. And these coins. Yeah, these coins. So yeah, I'm super excited. Thank you so much. Got a cup. And yeah, and then another bought for me this beautiful cup for tea. You know, it looks so beautiful. So guys, in Uganda, like the gifts that we are expecting in every part, it's a cup, a plate, spoons, just like that. So someone bought for me this cup. She is my sister. She's in Kamuli right now, but she sent money, and then mom went and bought for me this one. It's really beautiful. I'm just hoping I'm going to be putting here my sweets, my snacks, just like, because I have a cup that they bought me on. I remember when I was turning 24, they bought for me a cup when I was in Dubai. I'll show that to you in a minute. So I'm just hoping this cup I'll be just putting my sweets, my things inside here. Because I have right now a cup that I'm using, and I don't want to have so many cups around. So this one will be just for keeping my sweets in my bedroom. And by the way, this is the bedroom. I won't show you around, sorry, because it's very disorganized. Yeah. But anyways, and someone bought for me this beautiful cup, guys. It's just smooth, really smooth, very beautiful. But again, very small for tea. For us in Uganda, I want something big like this, you know. But when I was in Dubai, people were using this one for coffee, and even this one is a little bit big, you know. But yeah, I'll be using this one. It was really sweet. And then, guys, my mom bought for me something which I wasn't expecting, guys. I was just shocked. Not in a bad way, but guys, just see. Guys, just see. What a beautiful shoe. Yeah, Allah, look here. What a beautiful shoe. Look here. It looks so beautiful, you know. Yeah, Allah, it's very new. It's 41. Size is 41, you know, and it looks here. It's just good. I was shocked when I was opening my gifts. I went and called, Mom, come and see it. She bought it for me. She was like, Sarah, what happened? See, I have got this. And she was like, I was the one who bought it for you, you know. So I was so excited. Mom, thank you so much. I love you to heaven. You're just amazing. You're just a beautiful mother. I love you so much, and I know you know that, and I know you love me for sure. Mama, I know you do that. So guys, this one was really beautiful. I loved it. Yeah. So guys, those are the gifts, and more gifts are coming just because of this corner. Like shipping is very hard, and it takes time now, like a month. They haven't reached in Uganda, but I'm patiently waiting for them because they want TV Vunda, they want Okononika, they want. Anyway, but yeah, I'm just waiting for them. I'm waiting there's a gift from Kampala. I'm just waiting for my hair. Yeah, Allah, guys, I can't wait to show you how everything it will go with my hair. I just love my hair. I love protecting it, and when someone is giving me something for my hair, I just feel blessed. Anyway, thank you so much for giving, for all those who have contributed. Thank you so much, Sister Lina. Thank you so much, everyone that have contributed this birthday. Cassava, bunch of matoke, a sweet banana, mangoes, maize, shoes, cups, and everything. I'm really grateful. I am just blessed. I just feel like I'm the happiest girl in this world. Yeah, you know. Anyways, I just want to call my daughter to come and say bye to you, because yeah, I want you to know her. Chloe, first come. I just want her to say bye and hello to you. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, for loving us, and me and my daughter and my family, we love you so much. So Chloe, say hello, subscribers.
Hello, subscribers.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
And please subscribe.
And please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to do what? Subscribe. 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 Bye bye. Love you all. Mwah.
Gracias. nga tusamuka tutwalira irawo bangi baza okusamuka tuwale okubasoboire mukisa olwaleero okuba tulisamuka katonda wange tukwebaza okweyisa bulungi omukola tukukoza bulungi era gwala bulungi twagenda tubatulateera waka tutambula mirembe omukisa gwo okozera okulangire gusigale mumakono gusigale musaala n'enongayo era gutugoberera okuyatula kujja paka wetulyaga mu mulongo mu Kristo Yesu Masihi. Amen. Amen.